Telegram is a cloud-based mobile and desktop messaging app that combines strong data security features with high usability. Connect Telegram to your live chat solution to offer immediate customer messaging on a scalable level. Get started in 3 simple steps. Let's take a look. First, open your Telegram account or create a new one for free. Search for BotFather, Telegram's function for creating new bot accounts and managing existing bots. Then start a conversation. To build a new bot, type the new bot command. Next, choose a name for your bot. Your customers will see this when they reach out to you, so using your company name works best here. The username has to be unique and end in bot, like our Tie the Knot bot. And you're done. The BotFather will now generate an authorization token for your new bot, which brings us to the next step. Connect your Telegram bot to your chat solution. Log into your UserLike account. If you don't have one yet, just create a free account by clicking the link below this video. In the UserLike dashboard, go to Unified Messaging and click Config, then Channels. Then select the Telegram channel. Enter your bot's name, username, and the API token the BotFather gave you. Assign a UserLike widget that will handle your messages you receive from Telegram. You can also assign additional widgets for a more advanced cross-channel setup. Once you've filled out all the fields, click Create Channel. Last, edit your bot so your customers realize what to expect from this channel. Go back to your BotFather in your Telegram app and use commands to set your bot's description, about information, and profile picture. It's always nice to put a face to a name. Start chatting. Make sure to let your customers know how to find your bot in their Telegram search, and chat away. Your customers can now reach out to you on their favorite messenger app. You'll answer all incoming messages from the Message Center, your support hub for web and messenger support. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!